Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Classroom on your Motorola Defy. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app, enter Google Classroom, hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Click on Get Started. Here you can pick already existing account or add another one. So I'm just gonna pick that one, click OK. Now press on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after the class code is correct, this join button will highlight in blue. You'll be able to press on it, and that way you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.